The electric vehicle revolution is reshaping the landscape of the automotive world, and Maserati is determined to leave its mark. Known for its rich heritage of crafting high-performance sports cars with Italian flair, Maserati now turns its attention to electrification. The bold new step begins with the 2024 GranTurismo Folgore, a striking symbol of the brand's future. Following the introduction of an EV variant for its Grecale SUV, Maserati brings the lightning to its sports car lineup with this fully electric GranTurismo. The name Folgore, meaning lightning in Italian, is no coincidence. This model delivers a blend of electrifying performance and Maserati's signature luxury, positioning the GranTurismo Folgore as a potent force in the world of EVs. Maserati's electric cars will proudly carry the Folgore moniker, signifying a commitment to high-voltage thrills. The 2024 GranTurismo Folgore exemplifies this new direction, boasting cutting-edge technology, impeccable Italian design, and performance figures that will leave competitors scrambling to keep up. What truly sets the GranTurismo Folgore apart is its promise of lightning-quick acceleration. Maserati claims this EV will rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds, a figure that commands attention in any conversation about speed. After putting the Folgore through its paces on Italy's iconic roads, we can confirm that it delivers, earning it a coveted spot on our 2024 Editor's Choice list. But it's not just raw power that defines the GranTurismo Folgore. Its trio of electric motors combine for an awe-inspiring 818 horsepower, ensuring that this electric Maserati is a proper sports car in every sense of the word. Unlike many of its competitors, the Folgore doesn't stray from Maserati's design language. It retains the timeless aesthetic of the gasoline-powered GranTurismo, offering both familiarity and innovation in a single package. Furthermore, it gives rise to the convertible Gran Cabrio Folgore, expanding the lineup with options for those seeking open-air exhilaration. This is Maserati's vision of the future, a future where performance meets sustainability, where luxury aligns with cutting-edge technology, and where the legacy of Maserati continues with the same passion and energy, now powered by electricity. The 2024 GranTurismo Folgore is not just another electric vehicle. It's a statement. Maserati is here to electrify the road ahead. Beneath the sleek and elegant bodywork of the 2024 Maserati GranTurismo Folgore lies a trio of electric motors that together unleash a staggering 818 horsepower. This all-wheel drive electric powerhouse sets the stage for a level of performance that not only surpasses its gasoline-powered siblings, but also redefines what a modern GT car can be. To put things in perspective, the most potent version of the internal combustion GranTurismo produces 542 horsepower, a substantial figure by any standard, but it pales in comparison to the electric muscle of the Folgore. Two of the three electric motors are dedicated to driving the rear wheels independently, while the third motor powers the front axle. This unique configuration enables Maserati to employ a sophisticated torque vectoring system, mimicking the behavior of a traditional limited-slip differential. The result? Seamless control over power distribution, offering unparalleled traction and stability in even the most challenging driving conditions. Whether you're taking on a tight corner or accelerating out of a hairpin turn, the GranTurismo Folgore responds with razor-sharp precision. Our test drive on the winding roads just north of Rome provided a tantalizing glimpse of what this electric GT is capable of. Even though our test car was fitted with winter tires, limiting our ability to fully push the car to its limits in corners, the GranTurismo Folgore demonstrated extraordinary agility. The acceleration is nothing short of blistering, especially when set to its most aggressive drive mode, Corsa. With a tap of the pedal, the car surges forward with a level of ferocity that will leave even seasoned drivers breathless. Corsa mode sharpens the throttle response and stiffens the suspension, transforming the GranTurismo into a precision instrument designed to thrill. Maserati has taken care to ensure that, despite the weight of the electric components, the Folgore retains the fun, engaging driving dynamics for which the brand is known. Even when pushed, the car felt stable and planted, hinting at its potential for exhilarating performance on a more appropriate set of tires. In short, the GranTurismo Folgore isn't just fast, it's electrifyingly fast. Maserati's engineers have harnessed the immense power of its electric motors to create a driving experience that thrills in both straight-line speed and corner-carving capability. This is a new era of performance, where electrification enhances the joy of driving without compromising the essence of what makes a Maserati special. Step inside the 2024 Maserati GranTurismo Folgore, and you are immediately greeted by the unmistakable aura of Italian luxury. Like its gasoline-powered counterpart, the Folgore is a meticulously crafted four-seat coupe, designed to offer an indulgent experience for both driver and passengers. Every detail in the cabin speaks to Maserati's heritage of opulence, with fine materials and elegant finishes adorning the interior. But beyond the surface level of luxury lies an eco-conscious revolution, a commitment to sustainability that is as forward-thinking as the car's electric powertrain. Though you'd never know it by simply admiring the exquisite upholstery, many of the materials used in the GranTurismo Folgore's cabin come from sustainable sources. Maserati has embraced the challenge of combining environmental responsibility with luxury, incorporating innovative materials such as upholstery made from recycled fishing nets, painstakingly recovered from the ocean. This fusion of sustainability and style ensures that the Folgore's cabin isn't just a feast for the senses, but also a reflection of a more responsible approach to automotive design. The layout remains as driver-focused and passenger-friendly as ever, with ample space for 4 occupants. Maserati has taken care to ensure that the cabin dimensions of the electric GranTurismo closely mirror those of the traditional model, so you won't be sacrificing comfort for the sake of sustainability. Whether you're cruising along scenic coastlines or navigating through the city, the GranTurismo Folgore provides a refined, comfortable environment that complements its thrilling performance. In terms of cargo space, the GranTurismo Folgore also holds its own against rivals like the Aston Martin Vantage and Mercedes-AMG GT. The coupe body style ensures that there's enough room in the trunk to accommodate luggage for weekend getaways or everyday errands. Luxury, sustainability, and comfort come together in perfect harmony, delivering an experience that is both timeless and forward-thinking. In the GranTurismo Folgore, technology enhances every aspect of your journey. Maserati's commitment to a luxurious and tech-forward environment is clear, making this car a leader in the electric era. If you enjoyed this exploration of Maserati's latest masterpiece, be sure to give us a like, share this video with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Join us as we continue to uncover the exciting future of automotive innovation. Thank you for watching.